It all started here, watching millions of dollars leave my community every year because we had no other option than purchasing from big, non-Canadian, non-Indigenous retailers. Seeing this, I set out to provide my community and Indigenous communities across Canada with an alternative. This was my opportunity to give back and provide Indigenous peoples and communities with a retailer that wholeheartedly supports them and is determined to help them grow. In 2020, I launched eSupply Canada, Canada's first Indigenous-owned online marketplace for office, janitorial, industrial, technology, and print marketing supplies. We are your one-stop shop for everything that you need to run your home, office, or business. We offer over 1 million brand name products and have fulfillment centers in British Columbia, Alberta, Ontario, and Quebec. We even deliver to Canada's most remote communities and work sites. We help keep money in the communities that we serve, and we donate a portion of each sale to the eSupply Canada Future Leader Scholarship Program, which supports Indigenous students pursuing post-secondary education in business, economics, law, and the trades. Governments in corporate Canada are also utilizing eSupply as an Indigenous alternative to their current suppliers. We help them easily deliver on their commitments to economic reconciliation and Indigenous procurement. Every order has a meaningful impact on the community and in the lives of Indigenous students across Canada. At eSupply Canada, we're making a difference. Come and be a part of our journey.
We understand that every business is unique, and we're all about helping you succeed. But first, we need to understand you, your business, and what's meaningful to you. Whether you're making an impact from home, in the office, maintaining a clean and safe environment, building for a better tomorrow, or looking for innovative ways to reach more clients. We're here to serve you, our First Nation communities and all corners of Canada, with quality name brand business essentials with quick delivery to urban, rural, and even the most remote locations. eSupply Canada, an Indigenous-owned and operated one-stop shop for office, janitorial, industrial supplies, and customizable marketing products. Feel good about your purchases. Shop at esupplycanada.ca.